Hello, how are you outside there? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Mission. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for being here. And if this is your first time, you're considered subscribing, talking live from the village. And this is how the village looks actually. I am at the garden doing lifestyle here. This is our local lifestyle here, plucking tea and putting inside this basket, and this is how we do it here. Actually, why I am showing you this, because they are my new viewers that they don't know where I come from and what exactly do we do here at the village, like plucking tea, going to the garden, like a lot of things that are locally done here. That's why I am just showing you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please go do it as a better way of supporting me, guys. I really appreciate the love that you usually show me, always stopping here just to watch my videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Hope you watch until the end. This is Grace Mission. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, I'm talking live from the village. It was raining, like heavy rains. So I'm just warming myself here while I want to cook some vegetables here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. And also, if you're new here, my name is Grace Mission. Welcome to my vlogs from the village, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. So here I have this very cool, guys. Yes. So here I have some spring onions and some tomatoes. So we are like there's someone here who doesn't eat cooking oil. So I like to show you how we are going to do it, guys. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to put this soup on the fire like this. And this is the vegetables that we are going to use. So let's follow the process until the end, guys. So we come closer, guys. So we'll have to put the vegetable first like this. While adding the vegetables, so I'll have to add some water like this, a little bit of water like that, and then we shall add the other stuff, the onions and then we shall add the onions and the tomatoes there. We are adding the onions first. So I'm using the spring onions here. That's how we are going to do it. Just in a local way, so that the person will enjoy the vegetables, guys. And then we shall add the tomatoes. We shall add the tomatoes, guys. So that's adding the tomatoes. So guys, after that I have to add salt. And this is the salt that we are using here. It is iodized salt. It is good for your health. Also, you can use it at like a table, on the table, like when you are eating food. So as we are adding the salt. After adding the salt, I just cover it. I don't need to mix everything, guys. I don't need to mix everything. I like just to cover it so that we shall wait it for some time so that it will be ready, guys. So drop a comment what you think about this video here. We are talking live from the village, and this is how we cook for someone who doesn't eat oil. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See guys, it was raining, like we had heavy rains, like guys, and this is where we just put we heaped the firewood here so that we haven't prepared somewhere to just place them. They are being rained again, like guys. So let me take you somewhere, guys. You see, it has been raining. Even now, it is drizzling, like, and you can see the weather. It is foggy, guys. So see, I didn't cook outside here because, like, it was raining. You can see even the weather. This foggy over there, like guys, this is foggy. It is the mist. Is it mist, like guys? So when it does not rain, I usually cook from here. I usually cook from outside here, but I placed an iron sheet just to cover it because we had, like, the weather was not that good. That's why I didn't cook here, guys. So those are the jerrycans. This is how we catch. We do catchment area of the water, but when the rain has come, this is the catchment. It is that old. You can see even my late parents' house, you know, that good, guys. So here we are. I am here at the village, guys. I hope you may enjoy the video. Continue watching until the end. Actually, there's another video that I had took some them there before. You know, we had the fence here with some iron sheets, all iron sheets. Iron sheets, they were here. If you can remember, we had fence here with all iron sheets up to there. But then we'll move the iron sheet and we'll press it with the wire, as you can see, because of the flowers were not coming up nicely. So you may wonder how it has changed here, but that's what I was trying to show you. The wire that was there close, we used it to fence here, guys. So I don't know, maybe you can drop a comment whether my village has changed, or is it the same like when we started, because maybe you can see our house there. Yeah, it is there. Also, the iron sheets are not there because the fence was we want the flowers to be like this one here, the fence to be like this one here. Even if you put the wire, it's gonna be like the same. The fence will be strong because this wire is here. Also, the flowers are here, so the wire wanna be inside. So that's why we removed the iron sheet and we had placed the wire there so that the flowers gonna be the same like this one here. And then you're gonna mingle them like this one, like here. You put them inside the wire. See, inside the wire. When you pull it like this, it's gonna be just a nice and strong, so that nothing gonna happen while you are not away. You are away. I mean, like that. So this is where we relax sometimes. This rain is very watery, is where we relax sometimes when we are like tired. When you are tired, like you are coming from the garden or from plucking tea, that's where you can relax and have maybe some tea if you want. Or I don't know what I can say. Maybe I don't know how, if the village is all the same like yours outside there, because maybe I'm talking something different and you're not understanding. Hope you understand, guys. So, and the wild vegetables are here. These are the wild vegetables. You're gonna find them anywhere. We eat them. It is very lovely, guys, when you mix it with the pumpkin leaves. I think I did a video there before. Maybe if you want to go and watch it, you can go back and watch it, cooking the pumpkin leaves with this one there, the wild vegetable, guys. Yeah. So guys, as the vegetables are getting ready, you keep on warming yourself, because the rain, it was raining like 5 hours. So let's see when it is ready. Very good. So you just mix all this stuff like this. You see? Now the vegetables are ready. They are ready. This one is for someone who doesn't eat oil, cooking oil. So let's taste it. The sauce is like those are the small gates usually here in the village, guys. As I usually tell you, it's not that expensive as you can maybe. We just lock it like this. This is the lock, and you lock it like this, and it is safe. Like, you see what I was telling you? If we have the iron sheet near the fence, this is why how it spoiled the fence. That's why we'll move the iron sheet, guys. So this is it. So guys, hope you enjoy the video, guys, and if you are new here, please like the video, share. If you have a community, that's a better way of supporting me, guys. I really appreciate the love that you usually show me always, and God bless you. We may end up this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming to subscribe. God bless you. May we meet in another video. I love you all. Ciao ciao, bye bye. Bye.